Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Cells, where we master Microsoft Office for creators like you. Today, learn how to open Excel on Windows, perfect for tracking data or budgets. Method 1. Click the Start button at bottom left, scroll to E, find Microsoft Excel, and click to launch a blank workbook. Method 2. Press Windows key, type Excel in the search bar and hit Enter. Super fast for daily use. Method 3. Press Windows plus R for Run dialog, type Excel and hit Enter. Pro tip: pin Excel to taskbar or desktop by right-clicking it in Start menu for one-click access. Opened Excel? Great! Now save your work to avoid losing data during training reports. First save. Go to File, Save As. Pick a folder like Documents or Desktop, name it, example Data File, ensure format is .xlsx, and click Save. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. Type sample data like date in A1, name in B1, then save as shown. Save updates later versions instantly with Ctrl+S, no dialog needed. Use Save As for copies or new names or locations. Excel autosaves drafts too if enabled, via File, Options, Save. Renamed files keep your docs organized. Rename without opening Excel. Right-click the file, select Rename, type New Name, example Budgets, and press Enter. Inside Excel, File, Save As, change the name in the dialog and save. Avoid special characters like slash or asterisk in names. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if this helped your workflow. Subscribe for more Excel tips.